bird it is? Yes, peacock. This is peacock. Peacock. Yes, हिंदी में इसे मोर बोलते हैं. मोर. Peacock. The peacock is one of the most beautiful bird. It has a colorful feather and long neck. Yes, and peacock is a national bird of India. And the peacock loves to dance in the rain. Next bird, duck. Duck, batak. Duck live in water. Duck eat a fish and frog. The sound of the duck is quack quack. It is sharp, big, and duck eat plants, worm, and insect. This is duck. See, this is an owl. Yes, this is an owl. Owl is brown, grey, white in color. And owl has big head and fat face. And it has hooked beak, short tail. And there are silent and quick bird. The owl active at night. This is owl. See, this is ostrich. Yes, ostrich. The ostrich is longest, heaviest and flightless bird. It is run very fast. It has long legs. And ostrich is found in Africa. Yes. See, this is hen. Hen are female birds. Hens are female birds. Hens are domestic or farm birds. Hen is a brown, black and white in color. Hens lay eggs. Hens have wings but they cannot fly high. This is hen. See, this is dove. Dove are beautiful birds with snow white feather on their body. They are universal symbols of peace. Next bird, see, this is eagle. Yes, eagle. Eagle is meat-eating birds. Yes, eagles are meat-eating birds. Eagles can fly very high in the sky. Eagle eat snake and rabbit. And they have a hooked beak. This is eagle. See, which bird it is? Yes, this is sparrow. This is sparrow. Sparrow is small bird. It is brown in color. They are very active in nature. Sparrow love to eat seeds with their tiny beak. They make the sound of chirpit. Next bird is crow. Yes, this is a crow. It has black in color. It has a sharp beak to eat their food. The crow is regarded as a clever bird. And crow says, caw caw. Next bird, kingfisher. This is kingfisher. It is orange, blue and green in color. It is eat fish. It has large head and long sharp beak. And kingfisher does not sing. Next bird. See which bird it is? Yes, this is parrot. This is parrot. You know that Parrot is a pet animal. It has a curved beak. Yes, and parrot is of green color and one of the beautiful bird in the world. Parrot love to eat seeds, guava and chili. Yes, this is parrot. Next bird. See, this is pigeon. Pigeon has grey color. Yes, pigeon has grey feathers with a shiny green neck band. They make a nest on the trees. Yes, this is